Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing an impartial review of the 5 best blenders for smoothies. These options have been hand-picked through extensive research and testing to suit a variety of needs, whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or specific features. To make it easy for you, I've categorized these products based on different buyer preferences. So, whether you're on a budget looking for top-tier performance or something tailored for specific situations like allergies or pet owners, I've got you covered. And if you'd like more details or the latest prices for any of the purifiers mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. Trust me, those are always up to date. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's jump in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. KitchenAid K150. Are you ready to revolutionize your smoothie game? Meet the ultimate blending companion that's as versatile as your lifestyle. This high-performance blender comes with 2 dual-purpose jars that seamlessly transition from blending to on-the-go convenience. Perfect for those busy mornings or post-workout boosts. Simply blend your favorite ingredients, twist on the lid, and you're out the door. Experience effortless ice crushing in under 10 seconds thanks to the innovative asymmetric blade design that blends at 4 angles, drawing ice and ingredients into the center for maximum power. Whether you're craving silky smoothies, creamy soups, or frosty drinks, you'll love the smooth, consistent results every time. Take control with 3 precision speeds and an ice crush mode that adapts to your ingredients, delivering the perfect blend every time. Plus, the soft start feature ensures a mess-free experience by starting slow and ramping up to your chosen speed, reducing splatter. At the heart of it all is the IntelliSpeed motor control, which senses your blend's consistency and adjusts automatically for optimal performance. With this blender, you're not just making smoothies, you're creating cafe-quality blends at home with ease and efficiency. Get ready to blend, go, and conquer your day. Number 4. BlendJet BlendJet 2. Take your blending game to the next level with the BlendJet 2, your ultimate companion for a life on the move. Whether you're whipping up smoothies at home, refreshing drinks at the beach, or protein shakes at the gym, this portable powerhouse makes blending anywhere a reality. Designed with patented turbojet technology, it effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens, so nothing stands between you and your favorite recipes. With a quick USB-C recharge, enjoy over 15 blends on just an hour of charging, perfect for busy days. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just blend water with soap and you're ready for your next creation. Plus, the innovative lock mode lets you toss it in your bag worry-free, while the versatile pulse mode transforms it into a mini food processor for dips and salsas. Available in stunning collectible colors like lavender, BlendJet 2 matches your style while championing everyday wellness. Born from a mission to make healthy choices convenient and accessible, BlendJet 2 empowers you to create nutrient-packed blends that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. From home to the outdoors and beyond, BlendJet 2 is your key to delicious, healthy living anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Breville the Super Q Countertop Blender. Elevate your blending experience with the Breville Super Q, a powerhouse designed for speed, versatility, and precision. With an 1800-watt motor delivering an impressive 186 miles per hour blade tip speed under load, this commercial-grade blender is built to tackle even the toughest ingredients. From fresh fruits to hearty vegetables, you'll achieve perfectly smooth textures in seconds, making it your go-to for everything from silky smoothies to rich soups. What sets the Super Q apart? Its personal blender attachment allows you to mix directly into a portable cup for on-the-go convenience, while the intelligent base automatically adjusts performance to the 68-ounce jug or personal blender. Pair it with a Vac Q sold separately to remove air from the jug before blending, unlocking brighter colors, smoother textures, and enhanced flavors in every recipe. With 5 one-touch programs, crafting everything from ice-crushed drinks to frozen desserts and steaming hot soups is effortless. The 12 speed settings let you fine-tune textures for nut butters, cocktails, dips, or freshly ground spices, catering to your every culinary need. Thanks to noise suppression technology, the Super Q delivers unmatched power without the commotion. Perfectly balanced for home use, it combines professional performance with thoughtful design, redefining what a blender can do. Number 2. KitchenAid K150 Blender. Blending has never been easier or more precise thanks to this cutting-edge blender's 3-part blending system. Designed with a vortex-creating rib jar, unique asymmetric blade, and advanced IntelliSpeed motor control, it senses your ingredients and adjusts the speed for an optimized blend every time. Whether you're crushing tough ingredients like kale or almonds or crafting silky smooth drinks, this blender transforms whole foods into perfectly textured smoothies with ease. Cleaning up is just as effortless. The convenient self-clean cycle lets you add water and a drop of soap, then sit back while the blender does the work for you. No scrubbing, no hassle, just a spotless jar ready for your next creation. For ultimate control, the variable speed dial lets you fine-tune textures, from creamy purees to hearty soups, while the 3 preset programs, Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie, simplify your favorite recipes at the press of a button. The thoughtful soft start feature ensures mess-free blending by beginning at a slower speed, gently pulling ingredients into the blade before ramping up for powerful performance. Perfectly designed for versatility and convenience, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending so you can focus on enjoying your creations. Number 1. Behr 700W Countertop Blender. Unleash the power of versatility with this high-speed countertop blender, featuring a robust 700W motor and hardened stainless steel blades designed to handle any ingredient with ease. With 3 speed controls, you can customize the texture of your smoothies, shakes, and purees in seconds, delivering even nutrition and endless delicious possibilities for your family. The 40-ounce capacity jar is perfect for creating large batches of frozen drinks or smoothies, making it a must-have for gatherings and celebrations. The easy pour spout with a built-in measuring cup ensures no mess serving, while the non-slip mat keeps everything stable and quiet during operation. Cleaning is a breeze with a pulse function. Crush ice or blend ingredients in short bursts, then add soap and warm water to activate the self-cleaning cycle for hassle-free maintenance. Safety meets convenience with a thoughtfully designed safety lock, ensuring the blender only operates when properly secured, giving you peace of mind while you blend. From healthy baby food to creamy nut butters, this blender is your one-step solution for nutritious and flavorful creations. With friendly customer support ready to assist within 24 hours, this blender isn't just a tool. It's your partner in achieving healthier, tastier meals every day. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.